In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pin code availability checker to WooCommerce products. If you've ever wanted to give your customers the ability to check whether your products can be shipped to their location, this is the perfect solution for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional pin code checker on your product pages, making it easier for your customers to shop with confidence. We'll walk through everything step by step, so no need to worry if you're not super tech savvy. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens behind the scenes of your website. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand sidebar. Hover your mouse over the plugins section, and when the drop-down menu appears, click on Add New. This is where we can search for and add new functionality to your website. Now, in the search bar at the top right of the page, type pin code checker and press enter. This will bring up a list of plugins designed to handle pin code related functionality. What you're looking for is a plugin called iNextWoo Pin Code Checker. Once you find it in the list of search results, click on its name to open its details page. On the plugin details page, you'll see an Install Now button. Go ahead and click on that. It may take a few moments to install, so be patient. This is totally normal. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Activate button appear. Click Activate. This step ensures that the plugin is ready to use and integrates with your WooCommerce store. Next, scroll through your list of installed plugins to locate iNextWoo Pin Code Checker. When you find it, you'll see several options listed under its name. Click on the settings link and this will take you to the general settings page for the plugin. On this page, the first thing you'll need to do is enable the plugin. Once the plugin is enabled, you can configure where the pin code checker should appear on your site. For example, you can choose to display it on product pages, the cart page, or even during the checkout process. You also have the option to hide the Add to Cart button until a valid pin code is entered. This can be a great way to ensure customers know whether their location is eligible for your products before they can proceed. From here, you can adjust additional settings to suit your needs. For instance, you can specify the length of pin codes accepted, enable alphanumeric pin codes, or even set the plugin to auto-fetch billing or shipping pin codes. Once you've made all your changes, scroll down and click the Save button at the bottom right. Now, let's move on to the next step. Navigate to the Message tab in the plugin settings. This is where you can customize the text that appears to your customers. Start by editing and enabling the label for the pin code field. And don't forget to customize the placeholder text inside the input box. This placeholder text is what your customers will see before they start typing, so make it clear and helpful. You can also change the text on the button customers will click to check pin code availability. For example, you might want it to say something like check availability. Additionally, you can edit the success message that appears when a valid pin code is entered, as well as the error messages for invalid, too short, too long, or empty pin codes. Take your time here and make sure the messages align with your brand voice. Once you're happy with these settings, click the Save button again. Finally, it's time to test everything. Visit a product page on the front end of your site, and you should see the pin code checker displayed where you set it to appear. Enter a few sample pin codes to verify that the messages and functionality work as expected. If anything looks off, you can always return to the plugin settings to make further adjustments. And that's it. Now you know how to add a pin code availability checker to WooCommerce products. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.